50 Cent's own son just put him on blast, calling him out for being straight up ignorant, and he did it by clowning Lil Meech in the process. Y'all, this father-son drama is getting real messy, and knowing 50, this ain't ending anytime soon. Let's talk about this. If you've been following 50 Cent for a minute, you already know he's got a habit of holding grudges like it's an Olympic sport. Even his own son isn't spared, and because of that, their relationship is straight up non-existent. They don't talk, they don't vibe, and it's looking like there's no chance of reconciliation anytime soon. Now, let's break this all the way down. This whole mess started when Rick Ross and Big Meech linked up, and 50 just could not handle it. Y'all know how 50 is. He's been pushing that BMF series, acting like he put Meech on the map. So when Meech turned around and started doing business with Ross, who is 50's longtime op, it was game over. 50 threw a whole fit, even dropping a documentary that low-key accused Meech of snitching and posting a rat emoji for extra disrespect. As you'd expect, Rick Ross wasn't about to let that slide. He clapped back hard, calling 50 a hurt hoe and basically telling him to stop mixing business with emotions. He even went deeper, exposing 50's personal life and calling him out for not even being close to his own family. Yup, Rick Ross opted to hit below the belt. And then, just to rub it in, Ross dragged 50's fashion choices, saying he's still dressing like it's 2005. I mean, it's the shade for me.
Take a picture with Rick Ross. You like a put your back against the wall and just slide down. Biggest boss, I've been separating myself from these broke because they don't understand the rules to the streets. You understand? Don't know owe you nothing, homie. Owe you nothing. Y'all get money together. Y'all get money. Keep moving. All that extra you don't even have a relationship with your own brothers, your own mothers and fathers. How the you gonna act like you real close with me? Stop all that fake cap. Why you niggas got no money? You need a loan? Come see the boss. When it's on, come see the boss. If hating, if I ain't said nothing to you, they want to do something to you. Hey, Curtis Jackson, you more than welcome to bring that Versace Lamborghini to the car show June 7th, and your little homies. I know them with them.
So, back to 50's son. He wasted no time jumping in. After seeing 50 act like Lil Meech betrayed him, and the way 50 has been getting back at Meech, he basically laughed in Meech's face like, "You really thought you were special?" The gag is, 50's son knows firsthand how his dad operates. If 50 can hold a grudge against his own flesh and blood, then Meech never stood a chance.
Somebody out here, or maybe there's a bunch of people out here that need to hear this. And it was like, you thought you were special. You really thought you were special. Who told you you were special? You thought you were special.
And honestly, he's not wrong. 50 has a track record of falling out with people and cutting them off for life. His son is just out here giving everyone a reality check. If 50 can't even fix things with his own kid, why would anyone else expect loyalty from him? At this point, all eyes are on 50 if he is going to clap back at his own son again, or is he just going to stay focused on his never-ending beef with Rick Ross and now Lil Meech? Either way, y'all already know it's about to get messier. Stay locked in because this saga is far from over.
Looks like Kanye is backing Diddy and fans are not having it. The backlash is coming in fast and people have a lot to say. The timing couldn't be worse. Diddy's already in hot water and now Kanye's name is getting dragged into the mess too. But it's not been long since Kanye made headlines after his wife Bianca Censori wore a see-through outfit at the 67th Grammy Awards. So Kanye called on US President Donald Trump to help get Diddy released. And just to give y'all a little throwback, Diddy was arrested last September and hit with charges including racketeering conspiracy, trafficking, and transporting individuals for prostitution. Now, people are wondering if Kanye forgot why Diddy is behind bars in the first place. Let's not forget, Diddy was also accused of kidnapping, drugging, and coercing women into sexual activities, sometimes using firearms or threats of violence. Kanye took to X, formerly known as Twitter, and wrote, "At Real Donald Trump, "Please free my brother Puff." His message to Donald Trump was written after he recently started following Diddy on Instagram, being the second person he's followed after his wife, Bianca. Of course, Kanye made his plea to President Trump after the president's sweeping pardon of about 1,500 defendants on January 6th. But that's not all. Kanye went all out on social media to blast Hollywood A-listers for allegedly turning their backs on Diddy. He wrote, "All these celebrity day and be," and went on to accuse Hollywood elites of watching Diddy rot behind bars without speaking up. In fact, Kanye called out people for being addicted to complaining instead of taking action and tweeted, "F all that woke shit." However, Kanye didn't stop there. It seemed he wanted to leave an impression on people that he's in support of Diddy's release from jail. So Kanye posted a video of himself on FaceTime with Diddy's son, Christian Combs, accompanied by a caption reflecting on fathers, sons, and comedian Dave Chappelle. Then he took to X, formerly known as Twitter, and said he was sending some money to Diddy's son. He tweeted, "I just found out that Puff is not allowed to make or collect money while he's locked up, so I'ma send his half of the money to Justin." And Kanye, who was confident that he did the right thing by asking for Diddy's release, tweeted his belief and said, "What y'all gonna do? Cancel my sneaker deal, cancel my record deal, freeze my accounts. All y'all niggas, slavery is a choice. I'm speaking my mind now. I ain't editing shit again ever." Now, the exact reasons why Kanye is advocating Diddy's release is unclear. However, Kanye and Diddy have a long-standing musical relationship and have collaborated on tracks like All Day, Sanctified, and Guard Down. Fans are saying Kanye asking Trump to pardon Diddy makes him look shady, especially since he knows about the alleged crimes Diddy's facing. A lot of people think that in a week, Kanye's gonna end up doing exactly what he said he wouldn't, deleting this tweet. People are also saying it's wild that Kanye is more worried about losing his sneaker and music deals than about his wife showing up practically naked on the red carpet, even though he has his own clothing line. Well, whatever Kanye is up to will be clear soon. Cause why is he all of a sudden concerned about Diddy? Where was he all this time that Diddy's been facing legal troubles here and there? Anyways, what do y'all think about Kanye's efforts to see Diddy released from jail? Do you think Donald Trump's gonna release Diddy anytime soon? Y'all don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, because I'll be reading them all, and follow this channel for more videos like this.